Welcome back to my channel, guys, and to all my old subscribers, thank you guys for staying with me, and all my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how I made this juicy dry rub roast chicken. So grab your ingredients and let's get started. I have a chicken already washed and I slit it in the back. To that I'm going to add some olive oil so that the dry rub will stick to it. To make our dry rub mix. Here I have some dry thyme and Italian seasoning. I'm also going to add some ginger, garlic, onion, complete season, chicken season, Cajun seasoning, paprika, salt and black pepper. I'm going to combine the dry rub, mix it properly so everything combine, so we can season our chicken. And here we're going to season now, guys. I'm pouring the season on the outside. And I'm going to also pour some inside too, guys, and under the skin, so our chicken well seasoned and tasty. Okay. After seasoning, guys, I'm going to put it in a container and cover and leave to marinate overnight. You can also do 30 minutes, but I leave mine overnight. Stage, guys, we're supposed to preheat our oven already, and I'm going to grease an oven-proof pan so we can put our chicken in, and I'm going to leave that for about 40-45 minutes in the oven, guys, at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You have it, guys, already, and a little dressed up. My juicy dry rub roast chicken. It was delicious, guys, and I needed to try this recipe, guys, and tag me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.